Archive worldwide, wide. Who went down on the loaner bike. Front end was a little twisted.
Yeah.
How are we doing so far?
Terrible.
Front end's still tweaked, but the bars are off at least.
Yeah, but we're going to go to Home Depot, fresh bolts.
When you can't find bar mounts and nowhere has them in stock, 'cause it's a special order. That's a Home Depot special right there.
Oh, yeah.
Eli's old steed. It's already got a grab hole on it. Spray painted subframe and airbox. Don't let it fool you. How are we doing today?
Excellent.
You ready for a massive one?
Oh, yeah.
It's already preloaded because we haven't unloaded from the last vlog, but
Easy.
yeah, we're ready to rip. Home Depot. That's the power. More saving, more doing.
Oh, yeah.
First
Yeah,
try.
I think it's actually like...
The actual same one. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, get these from Home Depot.
Oh, yeah.
Well, here we go. We've made it down to Bo Dirt's compound. Nice crew today. Everyone's fired up. We got dudes doing bike work. Shirts are off. Tarps are off for the ladies. Woo! Looks nice today, huh?
Yeah, you hitting those vans? Because I ain't.
I'll follow you in.
Alright.
A little warm today. Finally in California. It's been raining a little bit, but
We wanted it, now we don't want it anymore because it's too much.
what kind of bike work you got going?
My bars rolled forward from Kia.
Yeah.
Just rolled them back a little bit.
Kind of in the lap, like a little RC style bend.
Yeah, not too far. They're still up, but I'm working my way up. Get those arms forward.
I was just 5 fingers. I mean, still a lot of slack, but you know, it is a Honda. Clean little 4. 4's better than a fist. Should be good. Let's see, can you see the beef jerky? Oh yeah, he's all beef jerkied up.
Yeah, it's all wrong, bro. I need like rip it apart, like it's stretch in there.
At least your front end's straight now though, huh?
Somewhat, yeah.
Looks better than it did.
Oh, yeah.
But the bike's about to get completely sideways.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, no, we'll see you out there. Riders. Tito! Lincoln Leverton. Bo Dirt. You look back at the camera, you see that? Damn, didn't spill this time. Keeping those graphics fresh. Gonna start a fire out here at the gas. It's so hot. Let's see. Is he gonna? Ooh, a little bit. Checks it. Here he goes. Third try is gonna be the charm here. Is this the one? Yep. He likes it. He's happy with it.
Professional.
Yeah, you are a professional. You should be in the Baja 500 right now. sure need like one iPhoner from the freestyle landing.
Yeah.
If you hit these all the time and you went back to the normal track,
You'd be so bummed.
yeah, you're gonna be like, what? You'll overshoot everything.
For sure.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
I feel like you could follow Cayman on that side too with an iPhone.
Yeah,
The whole thing.
at the journey too, but yeah, I could probably follow it.
Follow Cayman will make it look huge.
He's sick. So sick. Hype. Best day riding ever.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Sickest jumps.
I keep landing off into the bushes on the right side. Every time. You know how I do that?
Oh, I know how you do.
I need to start on the right side so you can to the left.
Oh! It just landed in the berm!
Holy. After you just told us coast.
He said coast and he was going, had so much speed and he just goosed it right at the end. Poor dude. Just blew his elbows out of socket. He's a littler dude too. 116 for LD pounds.
Slow.
Yeah, you just landed on the berm. I thought you were Kevin Windham when you did the transfer.
Like super slow.
We gotta get Taylor fired up right now.
To hit this? How you feeling, bull boy?
I'm chilling. Starting to cool down a little bit, maybe.
Right back?
That'd be chill.
How are we feeling today?
Good, dude. This thing is, with all the pepper she got through these jumps.
Just barking out.
Third or fourth, can't decide which one. Fourth feels better though.
Yeah, you're less low in the revs, and fourth gear is just gonna take you that much further.
Dude, that last one too sends you up in the sky.
Show everyone on the tubal scenes how it's done.
Alright, say what?
The guy's feeling it today, huh?
Nah.
You look like you are. When you overjumped that one pretty down right there.
Overdrum, hit a kicker.
This pack's so
I
damn
wish I could do
fun.
more than whip.
What's that grapple all about? We're working on it?
Working on it. Working on it.
Eli's seat bolts fell out. He's going to the spare backup bike, yanking bolts. We got two dudes tag teaming this thing, trying to get back on the track. We're taking a brief hiatus here. Boom, look at the pass off. Ready for action. Here comes Colt Husky.
Boom, respect from Bo Dirt. Respect to him for letting us out of the compound.
Probably the sickest day ever of riding dirt bikes. Big jumps, good vibes, good times. Thunder Valley, Colorado. There goes Rich. He actually spilled it in the beginning. We're rooting for our boy Danger. He's falling back. He's in the third right now, but we could go win practice today at Verona.
No, chocolate's good too.
What are you guys thinking? Good day for riding?
Great day.
We got Bull. He's up in the cut right now. Under the trees. Damn, it's nice out. I don't think it's ever gonna get hot in Cali. It's the best day ever of riding. If we just had chicks, it'd be game over.
If I have to hop in the tree,
You just Tarzan it?
it would be hard. Maybe on top of the van. How sturdy is it?
Yo, riding these jumps is gonna feel small after you just hit all those booters right back
For
there,
real,
huh?
For real. We gotta work on our corner speed though.
It's all about technique.
Jump for show.
For sure.
For show. Them John.
I didn't even know that could possibly happen. Your Johns is blown out, son.
Yeah.
MX Locker, help him out.
Honestly. I only run hand-me-downs.
The bikes look good too. It was hooked. My Dunlops were hooking up. Gotta move this lever way in. Little bike work here. I gotta be like Hunter Lawrence. Watch this bad boy. I'm gonna get mad leverage right now. Oh yeah, night and day difference. Gonna be a completely better rider after this. Check out Bull Boy in the trees getting the foreground. Check out that shot right there. Yo, you weren't kidding when you said you was getting in them trees, boy.
There's one of those on the track, a nice little V like that. You guys will probably see the clip later.
You're pretty good at getting in the V, huh?
No.
What kind of bike work we got going?
Adjusting this.
Are you bleeding your brake?
No, thought about it.
Did you even bring any dot for?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, you are factory.
But this, so I can't even, like, I tried hammering it in, it's already stripped.
Oh, yeah.
Fix that later.
Is that the medium boy special, or did you do that?
That's a medium boy special. I don't even think he knows how to work that thing though, so.
See that? Just like getting the shot right here. iPhoneography. Yo, what up? We don't got any chairs back here, so how are we gonna do it upright?
Stand upright.
You gonna astronaut it?
Yeah, or you're gonna need the wheel wells. Sit down on.
This kind of thing slide off a little bit.
You gotta keep it raw and give her the beans. Yo, what up?
What's up?
Just watching the outdoors while I go ride the outdoors.
Yeah.
Excellent day for it.
Back's closing in 20. What's up, man?
What's
Long
up,
time
dog?
No see. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Drilled right now. I'm so worked.
Yo. Damn, bro.
It's hardest out, huh?
Yeah.
That one is way loose, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at that one. That's about to puncture my moose. It's from all those boner hairs off those big jumps at Bo's. Landing rear wheel first.
No, you see the brake tab? You see how long you hold it for?
Brake hold? Wouldn't be a vlog without bike work. Cool thing now is that we live with the mechanic and he's factory, so we don't even have to do our own bike work anymore. Unbelievable. Only downfall is he steals our chicks. We don't really get chicks from YouTube, but he does be stealing them. But at least we get our bike work done properly. We know our wheels are staying on. 450 qualifying going on. Oh, little Jetson hurt his pinky. You guys already out on the track. The rider's about to hit the course. Bull says, yo, hold up. I got some cinematics for you. Let's tap into his camera and see what this is all about.
Like this, off the back.
Gonna cut a gravel like
Yeah.
you're gonna have so much no toil all up on your fingers.
At least I'll get
Grabbing
good
You
airflow.
might even clean that bad boy to get so much hang time.
Shit's sweet.
Yep, that's some scranny homage right there. What a great day on the course.
Great day.
Hour-long moto, don't pull off.
Yeah.
Dudes at Thunder Valley have already pulled off and had a break and electrolytes.
Tractor's on the track and we're still riding.
So much arm foam that's not even like funny right now. so bad.
450's gnarly, huh?
You just have to keep pushing through it, I feel like, though. You know, just to kind of get over it. But it's so bad.
Barely hold on.
Yeah.
Dude, I just cut it back like 10% less. And there's none. When I try to really ride, it's fully locked.
That's where I'm at right now. They're like,
You know what's really good for thinning out your blood and getting rid of the arm pump? It's drinking lots of drinks from the imported wild food.
What are we doing here? Let's get out there.
Yeah, let's go. We're good.
Not gonna want to hold it by the swing arm right there because it's too gnarly.
yo, you should go get a stand.
I think we can get it. Here.
I mean, one person's gonna be holding it, the other person's gonna be throttling.
It's gonna be so gnarly. Oh my god.
Nah, we got it.
We got it. Are you sure?
Someone has to throttle it. Dude, this is like...
Might be.
Okay, I'm ready.
I can only hold it for probably like.
No, that's chill. I'm not trying to go...
Yeah, once you get a couple of
I bet.
it'd be good. I got like 10 seconds of strengthening.
I bet.
If the bike actually goes that way though, I'm the one holding, so you get on this side maybe? This is so bad.
Yo! Oh, it's working! Or we need a 450.
We can stop this thing.
I can't.
Dude, actually, I thought it was gonna be late. Oh my god.
That worked pretty well.
We'll let you take a break here.
Shift it up
I
one.
was like, did I just hold it wide open? Or... I didn't want to just sit there just wide open. That was so chill.
Throw up everywhere?
Seen the video of the scooter and that dude flies out.
Yeah, you were cruising. We'll bang it up again.
Yeah, that was sick actually.
How'd you feel?
We're good.
He's dialed.
Alright, we're stable now.
Oh yeah, there's no way he doesn't got it. He'll lock in perfect. First try, let's go! This is why this dude races hard enduro. Yeah, but bro, you race hard enduro, so there's nothing for you.
Sign me up for the pro class.
Yeah, no, you were a professional after that one.
Factory ride.
You want to wheelie it this time?
No, I'm good. I'll just send it there.